Welcome to AI Chronicles. In today's episode, we're diving into the realm of groundbreaking AI innovation with Google's Gemini Pro API. This latest addition to the Gemini Suite is not just an advancement, it's a revolution for developers worldwide. Imagine a tool so powerful that it effortlessly understands language, recognizes images, and decodes speech. With a staggering 32K context window and support for 38 languages, Gemini Pro is redefining the boundaries of AI capabilities. Join us as we unpack the unique features that set Gemini Pro apart, explore its practical applications, and glimpse into the future with the upcoming Gemini Ultra. Whether you're a developer, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about the latest AI trends, this episode is tailored for you. Don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated with the latest in AI technology. Let's unlock the potential of Google's AI masterpiece together. So Google has just released the Gemini Pro API, a game changer for developers who want to leverage the power of Gemini, Google's state-of-the-art AI model suite. It's going to make a lot of things easier and more powerful for them. Gemini Pro is Google's latest AI wonder, a key part of the Gemini Suite. It's a powerhouse capable of tasks like understanding language, recognizing images, and decoding speech. Built on transformer architecture, Gemini Pro stands out for its versatility and efficiency. It can process complex, lengthy texts with a 32K context window and supports an impressive 38 languages. Let's take a closer look at what makes Gemini Pro really special and powerful. First off, Gemini Pro has a 32K context window. This is a fancy way of saying it can work with up to 32,000 tokens of text at once, which is around 16,000 words. That's a big deal because most other models can only deal with 8,000 tokens, or about 4,000 words. So Gemini Pro can manage much longer and more complicated stuff like whole documents, articles, or even books. This also means it can remember and focus on information for a longer time, which is super important for doing things like summarizing, answering questions, and having conversations. Another cool thing about Gemini Pro is its multimodal endpoint, so it can understand and create things in both text and visual forms. Basically, Google has now made Gemini Pro available for you to use in your projects, which is great news. The Gemini API is RESTful, so you can use it with any programming language or platform that can make HTTP requests. There are also handy SDKs and libraries available to simplify using the Gemini API. Google offers SDKs for Python, Android, Node.js, Swift, and JavaScript. So pick the one that fits what you need. Now, if you're curious about how to play around with Gemini Pro and make your own unique apps, you need Google AI Studio, of course. It's a website tool that lets you easily work with Gemini Pro and potentially with other Gemini models. With AI Studio, you can make and try out your prompts, create your own API keys, and get access to a lot of requests. AI Studio is perfect for developers starting with Gemini Pro and wanting to learn how to use it well. You can use it to quickly test your ideas and see them work live. For those looking to really improve their apps and use them in a big way, Vertex AI is your go-to. This is Google's all-in-one tool for machine learning. With Vertex AI, you can create, control, and put out your own custom models and apps. It works with Gemini Pro and other Gemini models, letting you add your own data, make them do real-world stuff, and keep them safe with top-notch security and data rules. Vertex AI is great for developers who want to make Gemini models work just right for their needs. You can tune Gemini Pro with your data to make it work better and more accurately. You can also add cool features to it using Vertex AI, like sending emails, making calls, or starting events. Plus, you can keep an eye on your models and apps to make sure they're working well and following rules. Now let's talk about the pricing and accessibility of Gemini Pro and other Gemini models. This model is currently available for free with rate limits of 60 queries per minute. For those who need more, a pay-as-you-go option starts at the same rate limit. This option charges $0.1025 per $1,000 characters for input and $0.005 per $1,000 characters for output, with an additional $0.25 per image charge. The free version uses input-output data to improve products, while the paid version does not. For more details, please visit Google AI for Developers. However, this free access is not going to last forever. Google has announced that they will introduce a new pricing structure for Gemini Pro and other Gemini models in the near future, which will be based on the number of requests, the amount of data, and the complexity of the tasks. Google has not revealed the exact details of the new pricing structure yet, but they have promised that it will be fair and competitive, and that they will provide ample notice and guidance for developers to transition to the new pricing structure. Finally, let's talk about the future developments of Gemini Pro and other Gemini models. First up, get ready for Gemini Ultra, a massive upgrade from Gemini Pro. It's a powerhouse and flagship Gemini model capable of handling far more complex tasks. Launching in early 2024, it'll be just as accessible as Gemini Pro through platforms like AI Studio and Vertex AI. And that's the lowdown on Gemini Pro and its upcoming siblings in the Google AI family. It's an exciting time for developers and tech enthusiasts alike, with so much potential at your fingertips. Also, if you liked the video, hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.